Welcome to ColorFun Toon TV!
By the sea on a sunny day, Mom and Dad and kids at play. Two little boys run wild and free, laughing loud beside the sea. Woohoo! Clap your hands and shout hooray! Fun at the beach all day! Sand so soft beneath their feet, waves come rolling cool and sweet. Mommy smiles and Daddy says, let's have fun in happy waves. Little boys jump up with cheer, best day ever. We're here, we're here! Splash, splash in the sea, come and play along with me. Run and jump and laugh out loud, happy family feeling proud. Build a castle big and tall, with tiny towers strong and small. Mom helps shape and Dad builds too, working as a team. Woohoo! Little boys say, look at that, a sandy castle, fancy and flat. Splash, splash in the sea, come and play along with me. Run and jump and laugh out loud, happy family feeling proud. Rain, rain, rain! Waves go splash and waves go roar, running fast back to the shore. Little boys jump in with glee, playing games beside the sea. Woohoo! Mommy says stay close, don't run, safety first, then lots of fun. One boy slips, oh what a sight, covered in sand from left to right. Daddy laughs and Mommy too, don't worry, we're here for you. Shake it off and laugh again, fun times never seem to end. Shells and starfish on the sand, treasures found by little hands. Walking, running side by side, with the ocean big and wide. Seagulls flying in the sky, waving as they pass by. Hold hands tight and stay together, sunny days or windy weather. Mom and Dad always care, love and joy are everywhere. Splash, splash, shout hooray! We had fun the whole day. Clap and dance and spin around, happiest family ever found. Sun goes down, the sky turns gold, stories of the day are told. After beach and ocean play, they went home another day. In the yard, what did they see? Little ducklings, 1, 2, 3. Tiny beaks go peep, 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 waddling softly, not a peep. We ducked our ways and laughed with pure delight. Let's play with ducks, oh, what a sight! Mom and Dad come join the fun, happy times for everyone. Ducklings follow in a row, waddle, waddle, nice and slow. Quack, quack, come and play, happy ducks all day. Jump and laugh and clap your hands, fun together just as planned. Near the nest they softly peek, look they shout, come take a peek. Little eggs so round and white, shining in the warm sunlight. Be gentle, Mommy softly said, these are babies still in bed. Daddy says be kind and slow, help them grow and watch them grow. Boys nod heads and smile so wide, standing gently by their side. In a home so full of cheer, Mom and Dad and kids so dear. 3 little boys sit in a row, ready to learn and grow and grow. Books are open bright and wide, learning time with love and mind. Mommy says, come take a look. Daddy reads from a picture book. On the page, what do they see? A funny monkey in a tree, drawing pictures 1, 2, 3. Let's draw monkeys just like we see. Learn and play, shout hooray, fun and knowledge every day. Read a book and go outside. Adventure time is full of pride. Let's go out, the children say, to the forest, hip hip hooray. Packing food and snacks to eat. Family trip is oh so sweet. Walking down the sunny lane, laughing loud again and again. In the forest tall and green, funniest monkeys ever seen. Jumping high from tree to tree, picking bananas happily. Kids all laugh and point a road. Look, monkeys jumping up and down. Near the river flowing slow, something big begins to show. Huge crocodiles in the stream, shiny eyes that softly gleam. Mom says, stay back, don't go near. Watch from here, be safe, my dear. Daddy smiles and gently says, books and life connect in ways. What we reared is what we see. Learning comes from reality. Kids all nod and clap with joy. Learning is fun, each girl and boy. Sit together, eat and share. Cool breeze blowing through the air. Sandwich, fruit and laughter too. Best adventure for the crew. Learn and play every day. Fun and knowledge come our way. From the book to world so wide, learning walks right by our side. Back at home as day is done, they remember all the fun. Mom and Dad and kids so bright dream of monkeys